Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I make a lot of beauty related reviews on my channel, mostly skincare, hair care and sometimes other beauty related stuff. So if you're interested, then please make sure that you're subscribed so you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So for today, I'm going to review a face razor from the brand Bombay Shaving Company. They are a grooming sort of company where they have mostly grooming stuff for men as well as women. So I have picked up a face razor from this brand and let's see how this works out. I haven't used this product before, so this is going to be kind of a first impressions video where I will be trying out this razor on camera for the first time with you guys, and let's see how this works out. So this face razor comes in a cardboard box packaging like this, and it's quite simple decent packaging, and it comes in a pack of 3, and the MRP is 450 rupees, but they do have a lot of discount just like a lot of other online brands. So let's try it out. So there are 3 razors. It comes with this plastic cover just like most other razors. It has a little bit of a texture over here so that it helps you have like a proper grip while you're using this. It's very lightweight. They have a few instructions at the back of this box where how to use it in case you're using it for the first time. So since I already have a little bit of experience of using face razors, so I think I can begin. While shaving the face, I normally use a aloe vera gel that works best for my skin. In case you use something else, you're allergic to aloe vera gel or something else works better for you, you can use that, but make sure that you don't use it on dry skin because it can get a little bit too irritating for your skin. I have my aloe vera gel handy, so I'm going to start by applying aloe vera gel on my face, and then let's see how this works. So I'm going to start first with the upper lip area just to see how this razor works. So the grip is very nice, very comfortable to hold. I like the fact that it is not super sharp, because a lot of ordinary razors come with super sharp blades, so it's very risky to use it directly, and you have to somehow use it here and there in order to make the razor a little bit less sharp. So I think this particular one, it has a perfect sharpness. It's not too blunt, not too sharp that you could hurt your skin. So far so good. I think this is really nice for face, very gentle on the skin. I don't feel any sort of burning sensation or irritation. My skin is acne prone, and usually a lot of these things, threading and all, it hurts me very badly. It causes a lot of pain, and I also get a lot of boils and breakouts with that, but this is very gentle. I have tried other ordinary razors, and I think this is much better than all of those. Now I'm just going to clean up a little bit and try it on a different section of the face. I'm able to use this razor much faster and much more comfortably than in the other razors that I've tried. This is super comfortable. It has a nice hold and grip, and it's not causing any sort of irritation. Now what happens is, a lot of times you don't feel any irritation on the skin, but later on there are some reactions because of the use of razor. So I'm gonna also update you in case there's any sort of reaction on my skin later on when I upload this video, I'll make a note of it and write it in the comment section in case there are any further update. But so far I've used it in my upper lip area and the sideburns and around the chin area, and it works much more efficiently as compared to other ordinary razors. This is so much better, and I really like this good quality stuff. I have thick eyebrows, so I don't need to, make it very thin. So I just remove excess with a plucker. So I don't use razors at all because I get scared to use razors. But I'm just going to give this one a try and see how it works. I'll just remove the excess from the lower part of the eyebrow with a plucker, but so far so good. I'm very happy with the result. This is good quality stuff, and I think you guys can give it a try in case you're interested. So that is all from my overall first impressions review of this Bombay Shaving Company face razor for women. I hope you found this video to be useful. In case you have any questions about this product, you can leave it in the comment section below and I'll make sure that I reply. If you are interested to see more of such reviews and other skincare, hair care or any sort of beauty related reviews, then do let me know in the comment section below. That is all from today's video. I hope you found this video to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you are subscribed for more such beauty related reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos from the description box below. You can check out my channel. I already have a lot of content and beauty reviews, skincare reviews, makeup tips here and there, so please check that out. I have a playlist so that it's easier for you to find stuff. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.